You want to see and duplicate a winning lead funnel in 3 minutes? One of my favorite rap groups, EPMD, had a song, Please Listen to My Demo. This is how I'll connect the dots between that demo and this one. So for the past 14 years, my mentors have been studying and perfecting exactly what works to build a successful business online. These guys live in the lab, split test after split test, and that has given them mountains of real-time data that they found the 5 marketing elements that pull in floods of leads for any promotion. I've talked about this before. These are things that work nearly every time when creating money-making funnels. They've been able to create their own winning campaigns over and over again, and they've taught their members how to do the same thing. Here's where things get interesting. There's now a brand new solution for you to do just the same thing in just 3 minutes. And that's happening this Wednesday night, 8 p.m. These two brothers, Jim and Brian, not Parrish and Eric from EPMD, they're hosting a free end of the year training to show you how to put all their data use for your business starting immediately. And this is what you'll get. A simple 3-step model to find and connect with your best prospects. The 5 most important elements to capture new daily leads. Plus, a live demo of a lead funnel that you can duplicate in 3 minutes with just a few clicks. One of their members and my friend, Kim Ward, recently used the same solution to grab 56 leads in one day. How different would your business look if you could start getting 56 leads in a day? Heck, even half of that. Put EPMD in the comments and I'll make sure you'll see how to duplicate a lead winning funnel in 3 minutes. Oh yeah, and the connection to the rap group EPMD, aka Eric and Parrish making dollars. Please listen to my demo. That song was 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Look it up. See you at the demo.